Ready to protect the rear screen in your Tesla Model Y or Model 3 Highland? First, power off the rear screen. Gather your screen protector kit, which should include the protector itself, tempered glass, PT or polyurethane film, cleaning wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a squeegee. Thoroughly clean the screen with the provided wipes and microfiber cloth to remove any dust, fingerprints, or oils. 70% isopropyl alcohol solution can also be used if needed. Ensure the area is well lit and avoid direct sunlight or dusty environments, as these can complicate the installation process. Compatibility is key. Make sure the screen protector is specifically designed for the Tesla Model Y or Model 3 Highland's rear screen. Now for the application. Carefully peel the protector from its backing and align it with the screen's edges, paying close attention to the Model 3 Highland's bezel if applicable. Apply the protector slowly, starting from the top and working your way down to avoid trapping air bubbles. Use the squeegee or a plastic card to gently press out any air bubbles, working from the center outwards towards the edges. Be patient and apply even pressure. Once installed, allow the protector to cure for 24 hours. Minor adjustments can be made with a hairdryer on a low setting to improve adhesion around the curved edges. Congratulations, your Tesla rear screen is now protected from scratches, fingerprints, and wear.